Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set a data limit on Google Pixel 7a or Android mobile. So simply just swipe up for the menu, then go to Settings application. You can see here. Open that, then select Network and Internet. Okay. After that, select Internet. Currently, it is my Vodafone in. So open that, then click on the gear button after the carrier name Vodafone. So here is the option data warning and limit. Open that, then you can see here set data limit is currently turned off. Okay, so simply tap on that button to turn on, and here is the limit data usage. That means whenever it will be reached the limit, the mobile data will be paused. So you can see here, and click OK to continue. So there is a description, you can read it. So that is the thing that whenever it is reached the limit, the mobile data will be paused. So that is the warning message. Simply click OK to continue. Okay, now that is the message, data is paused, the data limit you set has been reached. You are no longer using mobile data because it is paused. Okay, and if you resume, charges apply. So here you can see our data warning is 4 GB and data limit message is coming here. It is more than 5 GB limit, and here you can see default limit is 5 GB. So click on that, the data limit, we can change it. So normally Indians are using at least 2 GB per day, so that means it is 60 and 60 GB in a month. You can set it to 60 if you want. Otherwise you can select anything whatever you want in GB or in MB segment. So I'm select 50 GB, and here is the message is gone, and you can simply use up to 50 GB per month. So that is one of the useful feature whenever you are using a limited data, like if you are reaching the limit, after that your mobile service provider will charge anything on your data, then it is one of the useful feature that it is automatically limit that usage, because whenever mobile data is turned on, each and every second there is a usage is happening, kilobytes or MBs, that kind of things. So it is very useful to limit data whenever you are using a limited data on your mobile service. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.